Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be getting French Curls Knotless Braids done, and I'm taking you along with me to show you the full process. So if you've been thinking about trying this style, this is your sign. Okay, so firstly I want to show you the extension we're going to be using. This extension is actually very expensive in my opinion. People say you can get to reuse it, but I don't really use my extensions again, so maybe that's why I feel it's on the high side. Okay, but in this extension I ended up using 5 of this extension. You have to be very careful when you're buying this extension because there are a lot of fakes that really tangle really fast and do not give the curls at the end like the normal, like this one would. So you have to be very careful when you're buying it so you do not buy a fake. And even with this extension that I'm using, you have to still be careful. Even with the original one, you have to still be careful to make sure when you're unraveling it, you do not end up removing the curls, okay? Because this extension is very delicate. You have to be very delicate with it. So what you want to do when you're untangling it is you want to go ahead to spray the extension with leave-in conditioner, and this will make it be able to separate without much fuse and without it tangling up. Okay, so now we're going to go into the braids. So we're going for small knotless braids today. I just wanted something cute. I really like this hairstyle because you can go ahead to style it in different ways. Like there are so many styles you can go ahead, like you saw in the start of the video, I went ahead to style it in different ways to show you guys. Okay, I'm also going to have a shot up that will show you like different ways you can style it. It's super cute. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, I really love replying to your comments. Like that's one of my favorite thing on my channel, replying to comments. So make sure to go ahead to comment what you think down below or ask any question. I'll be answering it down below also. And make sure to go ahead to like and share this video with whoever would need it. Okay, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. So one more thing before I forget to mention it is you want to make sure you're detangling as you're braiding. Okay, you can see as she's braiding, she's kind of detangling to the bottom of the braid so that the extension doesn't tangle, because it's very hard to unravel once it tangles. Okay, it's very hard to unravel. Sometimes you might even need to cut the parts that is tangled up. This extension is very tricky. Okay, so you want to make sure you're detangling as you're braiding. It's very, very important to kind of get the smooth free way of making the hair so you don't have to struggle too much. These are things you need to know. That's why I had to come up here to say it before leaving you to enjoy the rest of the video as it goes along. So let me leave you to enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Love you. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom from the New York to shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. I don't know if you doing what you want. But it's been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. It's some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. It's some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know.
Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I want to be around. You tugging more and more. I didn't think it ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you ever wanna drown, I need to hear it from you. But if we know you can tell me how can fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let control. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging more and more. I didn't think it ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you ever wanna drown, I need to hear it from you. But if we know you can tell me now, don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know where I wanna be. Just wanna know what you're loving me for. Wake me up, don't let me go. You know I wanna be around. You tugging more and more. I didn't think you ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Just ever wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. But if we know you can tell me now, don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't let me down, don't let me down, let me down. Don't fuck me up.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so you, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from you, best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make some simple change to be a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. On the wall, I wave my arms, feel it. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always always inside. Good living in my mind, hold me on my feet. trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step out? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you have to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.